When the weak had no voice and the powerful feared no consequences, an historic alliance rose to defend justice. Before the coming of Islam, Mecca was one of the most important cities in Arabia. People from many lands traveled there for trade and pilgrimage because of the sacred Kaaba. The city was wealthy and respected, but justice was often controlled by powerful tribes. The weak, the poor, and foreign travelers had little protection if they were treated unfairly. At that time, tribal influence was stronger than law. If a rich or respected man committed wrongdoing, most people were too afraid to oppose him. In such a society, oppression could easily happen without punishment. One day, a merchant from Yemen arrived in Mecca carrying valuable goods to sell. A wealthy man from the Quraysh tribe bought the goods, but after receiving them, he refused to pay the agreed price. The Yemeni merchant tried to recover his money by asking the leaders of Mecca for help, but no one wanted to challenge the powerful man. They ignored the merchant's suffering and refused to support him. The merchant became desperate. Feeling helpless and humiliated in a foreign city, he stood near the Kaaba and loudly called for justice. He spoke about the oppression he had suffered and appealed to the honor and conscience of the people of Mecca. His emotional cry echoed through the city and touched the hearts of several honorable men who believed such injustice should never be accepted. Among these men was the young Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, even before he received prophethood. He was already known among the people for his honesty, truthfulness, and noble character. He could not remain silent while an innocent man was being oppressed. A number of respected men from Quraysh gathered in the house of Abdullah ibn Judan, a well-known leader famous for his generosity. There they formed an alliance dedicated to justice and the protection of the oppressed. This pact became known as Hilf al-Fudul, meaning the alliance of virtue. The members of this alliance promised that they would stand together against oppression and defend anyone who was wronged, whether they were from Mecca or from another land. They pledged that justice would be upheld no matter how powerful the oppressor might be. After making this agreement, the men immediately acted. Together they confronted the man who had cheated the Yemeni merchant and demanded that he return the payment. Seeing their unity and determination, the man was forced to give the Yemeni his rightful money. The story of Hilf al-Fudul became a powerful example in Arabian society. It showed that when righteous people unite, they can protect the weak and stop injustice. Years later, after Allah blessed Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with prophethood, he remembered this alliance with great respect. He said that he would still support such a pact in Islam because it promoted justice and defended human dignity. Hilf al-Fudul remains a timeless lesson that standing against oppression and supporting the weak is a duty for all people in every age.